Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Leighton Kombi Conversion Pro, finished in midnight black. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine which is paired with 8-speed automatic transmission and Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive. Professionally converted by Leighton, this Kombi stands out with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, side skirts, a front bumper splitter, rear bumper valance and a rear spoiler, giving it a striking and sporty appearance. Power adjustable heated and folding mirrors provide added convenience, while automatic headlights enhance visibility in changing conditions. A 360 degrees camera system with front, rear and side cameras works alongside front and rear parking sensors. Practicality is matched with comfort thanks to a rear tailgate, providing access to the cargo area, and sliding doors on both sides for easy access to the passenger compartment. The rear bench seats 3 passengers, with armrests and a folding centre seat which incorporates useful storage and cup holders. Rear window blinds, heated front seats, and air conditioning which is electronically controlled ensure year-round comfort, while storage throughout the cab, including a dedicated compartment for glasses or sunglasses, keep your belongings organised and safe throughout your journeys. USB ports, a wireless phone charging pad, and a camera rearview mirror add further convenience. The heated, leatherette-wrapped multifunction steering wheel provides easy access to adaptive cruise control with a speed limiter for more relaxed long-distance driving, and the steering wheel also allows you to navigate through the digital cockpit which displays vehicle and driving information in an easy-to-read and customisable way. Technology includes DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth and mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The navigation system keeps you en route throughout your journeys, and from the central screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and to make the most of the 360 camera system whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T32 Leighton Kombi Conversion Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.